To fix a Whirlpool oven that's not preheating, several potential causes should be considered. A faulty power supply, a faulty heating element, or an open door or faulty door seal are common reasons for this issue. To resolve the problem, start by assessing the oven's power supply. Check if the circuit breaker on the oven's power line has tripped, and flip it back to the on position if necessary. Next, verify that the power outlet is functioning properly and that its voltage is at a suitable level. If the voltage is low or the outlet is not working, repair or replace it, or contact a professional for assistance. After checking the power supply, assess the heating element by attempting to heat the oven and observing the element. If the oven is turned on but the element is not glowing red, it likely needs to be replaced. However, if you're unsure or unqualified to perform this task, it's recommended to seek the help of a professional. Additionally, ensure the oven door is closed firmly and try reheating it. If the issue persists, check the door seal to confirm it's in place and adjust it if necessary. By following these steps, it's possible to fix a Whirlpool oven that's not preheating, making the process relatively straightforward.